In 1977, a radio telescope picked up a signal from deep space that lasted 72 seconds. And to this day, no one knows what sent it. That's only number 9 on this list. Stay until number 1. Because it's the one that will actually mess with your head. These are the 10 most terrifying, unexplained phenomena in the cosmos that will haunt your thoughts long after the video ends. Number 10. The Great Attractor. Coming in at number 10, we have the Great Attractor, a mysterious gravitational anomaly pulling our entire galaxy toward it at over 1.4 million miles per hour. Discovered in the 1970s, this invisible force is so massive that it warps the fabric of spacetime itself. But here's the kicker: we can't see it. The Great Attractor lies in the zone of avoidance, a region of space obscured by our own Milky Way's dust and gas. Scientists estimate it's 250 million light-years away, and its mass is equivalent to tens of thousands of galaxies. Yet despite its immense pull, we have no idea what it is. Some theories suggest it could be a supercluster, a cosmic string, or even a remnant of the Big Bang. But one thing is certain: it's dragging us toward an unknown destiny. But that's nothing compared to what's coming next. Number 9. The WOW signal. At number 9, we have the WOW signal, a 72-second radio burst detected by the Big Ear radio telescope in 1977. The signal was so strong and unusual that astronomer Jerry Emmon circled it on the printout and wrote "Wow" next to it. To this day, it remains the only potential alien transmission ever recorded. The signal came from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius, near a star system 122 light-years away. It matched the expected signature of an artificial transmission. But despite multiple attempts to detect it again, it vanished without a trace. Some scientists believe it could have been a natural phenomenon, like a comet or pulsar. But no definitive explanation has ever been confirmed. The WOW signal haunts astronomers because it's the closest we've ever come to proof of extraterrestrial intelligence. And number 8 might actually be worse. Number 8. The Fermi Paradox. Coming in at number 8 is the Fermi Paradox, a chilling contradiction between the high probability of alien life and the complete lack of evidence for it. Named after physicist Enrico Fermi, who famously asked, "Where is everybody?" during a lunch break in 1950. This paradox highlights the eerie silence of the universe, given the sheer number of stars and planets in our galaxy alone. Many scientists believe intelligent life should be abundant. Yet after decades of searching, we've found nothing. Some theories suggest advanced civilizations might self-destruct before achieving interstellar travel, or perhaps they're hiding from us. Others propose that we're being observed in a cosmic zoo scenario, where we're deliberately kept in the dark. The Fermi Paradox isn't just a scientific puzzle. It's a terrifying reminder of how alone we might truly be in the universe. But that's nothing compared to what's coming next. Number 7. The Cold Spot in the Cosmic Microwave Background. At number 7, we have the cold spot, a region of space so mysteriously cold that it defies all known physics. Detected in 2004 by the Wilkinson Microwave Anisotropy Probe, this 1.8 billion light-year wide void is 70 microkelvin colder than the rest of the cosmic microwave background. That might not sound like much, but in the context of the universe, it's an impossible anomaly. Some scientists believe it could be a supervoid, a vast empty region where galaxies are mysteriously absent. Others suggest it might be evidence of a parallel universe colliding with our own, leaving behind a cosmic bruise. The cold spot is so perplexing that it's forced physicists to question the fundamental laws of the cosmos. And number 6 might actually be worse. Number 6. The Black Hole Information Paradox. Coming in at number 6 is the black hole information paradox. A mind-bending contradiction that suggests the laws of physics might be broken. According to quantum mechanics, information can never be destroyed. But when something falls into a black hole, it appears to vanish forever, taking its information with it. This creates a paradox. Either quantum mechanics is wrong, or black holes don't destroy information after all. The problem was first identified by Stephen Hawking in the 1970s, and it's haunted physicists ever since. Some theories suggest that information is somehow encoded on the black hole's event horizon, while others propose that black holes might lead to other universes. But the truth remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in science. You're already halfway through. If this list is blowing your mind, hit subscribe so you never miss a video. You're already halfway through. If this list is blowing your mind, hit subscribe so you never miss a video. Number 5. The Dark Flow. At number 5, we have the dark flow, a mysterious force pulling entire galaxy clusters toward a single point in space at over 2 million miles per hour. Discovered in 2008 by NASA's Wilkinson Microwave Anisotropy Probe, this phenomenon defies all known cosmological models. Unlike the Great Attractor, which pulls our galaxy, the dark flow seems to originate from beyond the observable universe. Some scientists believe it could be evidence of another universe pressing against ours, like two soap bubbles colliding. Others suggest it might be a remnant of the Big Bang itself. The dark flow is so strange that it's forced cosmologists to reconsider the fundamental structure of reality. But that's nothing compared to what's coming next. Number 4. The planet that shouldn't exist. Coming in at number 4 is a planet that defies all logic. WASP-12b. Discovered in 2008. This gas giant orbits its star so closely that it's being devoured alive. The planet's surface temperature exceeds 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and its atmosphere is being stretched into a comet-like tail by the star's gravity. But here's the terrifying part. WASP-12b is losing 6 billion metric tons of mass every second. At this rate, it will be completely consumed by its star in just 3 million years. A blink of an eye in cosmic terms. What makes this even more disturbing is that WASP-12b shouldn't exist at all. According to current models, planets this close to their stars should have been torn apart eons ago. Yet it's still there, screaming into the void as it's torn apart. And number 3 might actually be worse. Number 3. The star that won't die. At number 3, we have IPTF-14HLS, a star that refuses to die. When it was first observed in 2014, astronomers expected it to fade within months. Instead, it exploded not once, but 5 times over the next 2 years. This zombie star defies all known supernova models, as it continued to shine brightly long after its initial death. Some scientists believe it might be a rare type of pulsational pair instability supernova, where the star's core collapses and reignites multiple times. Others suggest it could be a magnetar, a neutron star with an insanely powerful magnetic field. But the truth is, no one knows what IPTF-14HLS truly is. It's a cosmic enigma that's forcing astronomers to rewrite the rules of stellar death. But that's nothing compared to what's coming next. Number 2. The time warp of Sagittarius A*. Coming in at number 2 is Sagittarius A*, the supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy. But this isn't just any black hole. It's warping time itself. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, the extreme gravity of Sagittarius A* slows down time near its event horizon. If you could hover near it, time would pass differently for you than for someone far away. In fact, a clock near the black hole would tick just 1% as fast as one on Earth. This means that if you spend a year near Sagittarius A*, over 100 years would pass on Earth. The black hole's gravity is so intense that it bends light, distorts space, and creates a cosmic funhouse mirror. And number 1 might actually be worse. Number 1. The simulation hypothesis. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Number 1. What if our entire universe is a simulation? This isn't science fiction. In 2003, philosopher Nick Bostrom proposed the simulation argument, which suggests that at least one of the following must be true. 1. Almost all civilizations go extinct before achieving the technology to run simulations. 2. Advanced civilizations have no interest in running ancestor simulations. Or 3. We are almost certainly living in a simulation. The idea has gained traction among physicists and tech billionaires like Elon Musk, who believes there's a 1 in billions chance we're in base reality. But why would we suspect this? Because glitches in the simulation could explain quantum mechanics, the fine-tuning of the universe, and even déjà vu. If true, everything we know, our history, our reality, our very existence, could be an elaborate construct. And the scariest part? There's no way to prove it. Comment below which one got to you the most. Subscribe if you want more cosmic nightmares. Next time, we're looking at something even darker. The places in space where physics itself breaks down. Don't miss it.